First, let's understand what 9RS actually means. RS stands for round shader. That means 9 needles are grouped together in a circular form. The needles are packed close in a round shape, which makes them perfect for soft shading, small color packing, and controlled detailing. Now let's talk about 9 Magnum. Magnum needles are arranged in 2 rows, side by side, instead of a circular shape. This packing style spreads the needles wider across the skin surface. Because of this wider coverage, Magnums are mainly used for smooth shading, large area coloring, blending, and faster work. Now many beginners ask, both have 9 needles. So what is the real difference? The answer is arrangement and skin impact. In 9RS, all the needles hit the skin in a compact circular pattern. This gives more concentrated ink flow in a smaller area. That's why 9RS is very useful for small tribal tattoos, small black shading, tiny cover-ups, letter shading, and tight corners. On the other hand, 9 Magnum spreads the needles wider, so the ink enters the skin more evenly across a bigger surface. This helps in smooth gradients, realistic tattoos, portrait shading, background filling, and large black packing. Now, let's talk about pain and skin damage. Many artists notice that Magnums are softer on skin when used correctly. Why? Because the pressure is distributed across a wider area. That means less trauma during large shading sessions. But with 9RS, if your hand pressure is too high, it can overwork the skin quickly because the needles are tightly packed in one point. So hand control is very important while using round shaders. Now imagine this example. Suppose you are tattooing a small rose tattoo for tiny petals and dark corners. 9RS will give better control and darker saturation. But if you are shading the background smoke or soft gradients around the rose, 9 Magnum will create smoother transitions much faster. Another important difference is speed. Magnums usually help complete large tattoos faster because they cover more skin in one pass. Round shaders are slower for big areas, but more precise for detailed sections. Now let's talk about beginners. Which one is easier to learn? Most beginners start comfortably with RS needles because they feel more controlled, like lining needles. But once you learn hand angle and machine movement properly, Magnums become the real game changer for professional shading. Also, remember this important tip. Your machine angle changes everything. For 9RS, many artists work with a slightly upright angle for concentrated shading. For Magnums, a lower brushing angle usually creates softer blends and smooth whip shading effects. Now let's discuss tattoo styles. 9RS is commonly used in traditional tattoos, small blackwork, script shadowing, mandala filling, and compact designs. 9 Magnum is widely used in realism, portrait tattoos, Japanese tattoos, smooth black and gray work, and large color tattoos. One more mistake beginners make is trying to line with Magnums or pack huge areas with RS needles. Technically possible, but not efficient. Choosing the correct needle saves time, protects skin, and improves tattoo quality. Professional artists often switch between both needles in a single tattoo. For example, 9RS for small dark details, and 9 Magnum for smooth blending around it. That combination creates depth and professional finish. So finally, if you want precision, controlled shading, and compact dark areas, choose 9RS. If you want smoother shading, larger coverage, and softer blends, choose 9 Magnum. Both are important tools. The best tattoo artists are not the ones who use only one needle. They are the artists who know when to use the correct needle. Comment below which needle you use most. And if this video helped you understand needle packing better, like, share, and subscribe to Tattoo 18 for more tattoo training, tattoo tricks, and professional tattoo knowledge. See you in the next video.